If Lightroom is giving you a GPU acceleration error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the quickest fixes step by step. This is a common issue in Lightroom Desktop, and it usually happens because of a GPU setting, outdated drivers, compatibility problems, or a corrupted preference file. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll start with the main fix inside Lightroom itself. Open Lightroom Desktop, then go to Edit and click Preferences. In the Preferences window, switch to the Performance tab. Here you should see the option for GPU acceleration, usually labeled as Use GPU. Turn this setting off first. After that, close Lightroom completely and restart the app. Once Lightroom opens again, go back to the same Performance section and turn GPU back on. This simple toggle can refresh the graphics engine and fix the error in many cases. If that does not solve it, the next step is very important. Update your GPU drivers. Whether you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, you want to install the latest 2026 driver from the official website or through your graphics control app. Outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons Lightroom cannot use GPU acceleration properly. After installing the update, restart your PC so the new driver loads correctly. Do not skip the restart, because the system may still be using the old driver until reboot. Next, you should check whether your graphics card is actually compatible with Lightroom's GPU acceleration features. Lightroom generally needs support for DirectX 12, and you should have at least 2 GB of VRAM, although 4 GB is strongly recommended for smoother performance. If your GPU is too old or does not meet these requirements, Lightroom may disable acceleration or show an error no matter what settings you change. If you are not sure, look up your exact GPU model and compare it with Adobe's current requirements. Now let's try resetting Lightroom preferences, which can fix hidden configuration problems. To do this, hold Shift and Alt on your keyboard while launching Lightroom. Keep holding the keys until Lightroom asks if you want to reset preferences. Confirm the reset, then let Lightroom open normally. This clears out damaged settings that may be causing the GPU error. After resetting, check the performance settings again and test whether GPU acceleration works properly. Another very effective fix is updating Lightroom itself. Open Creative Cloud and make sure Lightroom is updated to the latest version. Adobe often releases bug fixes and performance improvements that solve GPU-related issues. If you are running an older version, you may continue to see the error even if your drivers are fine, so always make sure Lightroom is fully updated before testing again. At this point, most GPU acceleration errors should be resolved. To recap, first toggle GPU off and back on in Preferences, then update your graphics drivers, check GPU compatibility, reset Lightroom preferences, and finally update Lightroom through Creative Cloud. These 5 steps cover the most reliable fixes and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Lightroom and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.